Welcome to THO Non-Garden Cloudy Ocean View, where your journey of relaxation and rejuvenation begins. Scan the QR code or explore the description below to secure your exquisite escape. Here, amidst the embrace of untouched natural beauty, discover a sanctuary designed for the discerning traveler. Indulge in the exclusive amenities that await, a vibrant bar offering expertly crafted cocktails and refreshments, providing the perfect ambience for socializing. Explore the lush, verdant garden, a tranquil oasis perfect for morning meditations or a peaceful stroll. Free Wi-Fi access ensures connectivity and effortless sharing of your memorable experiences. Revel in the breathtaking views of the ever-changing ocean, where the sky meets the horizon in a spectacle of color. At THO Non-Garden Cloudy Ocean View, every detail is meticulously curated to provide an unforgettable experience of seamless comfort and refined relaxation. Allow us to orchestrate your perfect retreat. Don't delay, scan the QR code again or consult the description now to book your stay.